Welcome to DisputeHound, the app that helps you turn chargebacks into a clear, repeatable process. No black box, no extra tools. Everything happens inside your Shopify admin, where you already work every day. Let's start from the 3-step guide. Here you see the core flow. 1. Open the dashboard to see open disputes, deadlines, and money at risk. 2. Open a single dispute to review details and organize evidence. 3. Complete the checklist and export the PDF, then upload it to Shopify Payments, Stripe, PayPal, or your bank. It's a simple workflow your team can repeat for every case. Now let's go to the dashboard. At the top, you get a quick health overview. How many disputes are open? Which ones need a response in the next 7 days? Win rate on closed disputes, and total disputed, recovered, and lost amounts. Below, you have the All Disputes table. You can filter by status and reason, search by order or dispute ID, and see at a glance the amount, due date, and evidence readiness. Click any row to open the dispute detail. Inside a dispute, everything is grouped on one page. Dispute status and the internal Handled to Handle tag, order and customer details, tracking and shipping information, and your policy snapshot, URL, version, and the policy text that will go into the PDF. The policy snapshot comes from the Policies page, so remember to set it once there. Below, you'll find the evidence checklist. Here, you tick what you actually attached in your dispute portal: tracking, proof of delivery, customer communication, policy screenshot, product photos, or service logs. Some items are marked as auto-included in PDF, like tracking or policy, when available. Others remind you to upload them manually in Shopify Payments, Stripe, PayPal, or your bank portal. Just under that, there's the Customer Behavior section. Here you track whether the customer contacted you before opening the chargeback and whether they followed the steps in your policy. For example, sending photos or info within the time limits. These flags are internal only. They are used for your analytics and friendly fraud signals and are not included in the PDF. Next, there is the Response Helper. It generates a clear, ready-to-edit explanation for the issuer, especially useful for the field, "Explain why you feel this order was not fraudulent," in Shopify. You can copy it, paste it in your dispute form, and adjust the tone if needed. At the bottom, you have internal notes for your team only. They stay inside DisputeHound and are never added to the PDF. Let's do a quick PDF export. Click Export Evidence Pack. DisputeHound creates a clean PDF with order and customer details, tracking, policy text, and your evidence checklist, ready to upload as an additional document in your chargeback form. Now, the Stats page. Here you see disputes by reason and by acquisition source, your win rate with and without each type of evidence, a rough view of friendly fraud, delivered plus no contact plus chargeback, and how often disputes are opened before versus after delivery. You can use this to adjust policies, emails, and marketing sources that create more risk. On the Policies and Chargeback Helper page, you have 2 tabs. In your policy snapshot, you set the URL, version label, and policy text that DisputeHound will include in every PDF. When you click Save and Sync to all disputes, this snapshot is applied to all existing disputes for this store, so your evidence is consistent across past and future cases. It only changes the text used in the PDF, not your live Shopify theme. In Policy and Chargeback Helper, you get ready-to-copy examples for checkout text, time window to report issues, a chargeback clause, and a post-delivery email. These are generic examples. You should adapt them to your brand and legal requirements. Finally, the Contact Us page. From here, you can send us a message directly from the app. Choose a reason like general question, feature request, or bug, write your message, and we'll reply by email. So, that's DisputeHound in a nutshell. A repeatable, transparent chargeback workflow, no black box, no external dashboards, just a clean process inside Shopify to track disputes, organize evidence, and learn from every case. Thanks for watching, and welcome to DisputeHound.